Classroom objects are everyday items found in learning spaces. These objects help students study, write, and organize their work. Today, we learn the most common classroom objects for beginners. A chair is used for sitting during lessons. Books contain information for reading and studying. Pencils write on paper and can be erased. Desks provide a surface for writing and placing books. Desks hold books, papers, and writing tools during class. Chairs support students while sitting and working at desks. Books store knowledge and stories for learning new information. Pens write smoothly with ink on paper. Erasers remove pencil marks from paper. Rulers measure straight lines and draw neat shapes accurately. Pens use ink for permanent writing on paper. Erasers clean pencil mistakes completely. Rulers create straight lines and measure paper correctly. Unordered lists display items with bullet points. Use Open OL tag to start the list and close OL tag to end it. Each list item uses Open Lee tag and Close Lee tag around the text. Default bullets use round circles for each item. Square bullets change with list style type :square. Both lists organize classroom objects clearly for readers. Nested lists organize information in levels. Main items use outer OL tags. Subitems nest inside Lee tags with inner OL tags. This creates clear hierarchies for related objects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.